Window Replacement Rockford is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Rockford window contractors offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows, Rockford and vinyl windows Rockford, to suit every need and budget. Whether you're interested in custom windows Rockford or need Rockford window glass replacement, local experts are ready to assist. Rockford window replacement is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Rockford, Illinois window replacement specialists provide comprehensive services, from window frame replacement Rockford to window pane replacement Rockford. With Rockford Window Solutions, you can ensure your windows are in top condition, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Energy-efficient windows. Rockford are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs. Rockford IL window installation experts specialize in installing these windows, which can significantly lower your utility bills. By choosing energy-saving windows Rockford, Illinois, you not only save money but also contribute to a greener environment. Vinyl windows Rockford are known for their durability and low maintenance. Rockford IL vinyl window installation is a cost-effective solution for homeowners seeking long-lasting window options. With affordable window services, Rockford, Illinois, you can enjoy the benefits of vinyl windows without breaking the bank. Custom windows Rockford offer a personalized touch to any home. Rockford IL window contractors can design and install windows that perfectly match your style and preferences. Custom window solutions. Rockford IL ensure that your home stands out with unique and tailored window designs. Rockford window companies provide a variety of window styles, including double-hung windows, Rockford, and casement windows Rockford. These options offer versatility and functionality, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Rockford IL casement window services ensure that your windows are installed with precision and care. Rockford window installation cost can vary depending on the type and number of windows you choose. Window replacement. Rockford estimates help you plan your budget effectively. With window installation deals Rockford, Illinois, you can find competitive pricing for high-quality window services. Bay windows Rockford add elegance and space to any room. Rockford, Illinois bay window installation experts can help you choose the perfect bay window design for your home. These windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also provide additional seating or storage space. Sliding windows. Rockford are ideal for areas with limited space. Rockford, Illinois sliding window installation professionals ensure that these windows are installed smoothly and efficiently. Sliding windows offer easy operation and a modern look, making them a popular choice for contemporary homes. Rockford window maintenance is crucial for prolonging the life of your window replacement Rockford. Window maintenance Rockford, Illinois services include regular inspections and replacements to keep your windows in optimal condition. Rockford, Illinois window sealing services help prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Rockford window experts are well-versed in all aspects of window care and installation. Professional window installation. Rockford IL ensures that your windows are installed correctly and securely. With Rockford IL window upgrade options, you can enhance your home's comfort and value.